In front of me is Nubia Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Then hit Themes. To apply one of those added downloaded themes, just click on the best one. And to download something more interesting, click on this icon of a shirt with a plus. Then download a perfect theme of your keyboard for you by tapping on it, selecting download and hitting apply. Sometimes you need to tap on apply twice to make sure it was successfully set up. You can also check it by clicking on this icon at the top right corner and looking for it here. So sorry, misclick. So when I go back and check my keyboard, I can see that it was successfully set up. If you want to customize it though, click on the same icon, select Themes and tap on this icon of a gallery under Customize Themes. Then click on the photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and even rotate it however you wish to. Then hit Next and adjust all of those customization options. Pick perfect look for your keys. Font style. Swipe color, brightness of your keyboard. And even flow options. Effect. This one will be visible after you will press one of your keys. And even sound. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, when I go back and check my keyboard now, it was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!